got a patch. This side of the fender is going to tip up, this side of the fender is going to tip down. There's holes drilled in this piece, holes drilled in that piece for plug welds. This piece comes in, it's broke over, so it goes down along the side of the fender on the outside. There's holes drilled in here. This piece is just cut big enough that we're going to get this part secured, and then we're going to wrap it down around the fender. We're going to have it come to this point at this side and follow the radius back here, and then we'll trim all this so it doesn't look too bad. So follow along. Alright, here's where we're at now. So what I've done is finished up the inside fender patches. You can see I just wrapped those pieces down. It's hard to see in the black now, but I just left all the welds. I smoothed them off with a flat wheel and make them so it doesn't hurt to touch, and that's good enough. The floor, it's hard to see past all this stuff. There's a piece of the old floor from another tub cut and just spliced in underneath, tacked on both sides. A little bit of rust repair in the back corners as usual on these Jeeps. You can see these pieces here just to fix some spots and tie it all in nice. So on the outside, what I did underneath here, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a piece of 3x3 by 1/4 inch thick angle bar. I had to cut all of that support structure out underneath. There was absolutely nothing left. So I cut that out. We bolted it in across the bottom of the lip here, give it a little strength. That holds the body to the angle. And then cleaned up what we had left. And we just put the spot welds back in once we got it square. A couple patches, I got a few more patches to do. And this is an old CJ tailgate that I had kicking around. The whole bottom was rotted off, so I just cut it off and cleaned it, both sides. Absolutely nothing left of it, but that's going to be the front of the trailer body. So again, we're just going to tack it in here and keep it real simple, and it doesn't have to be pretty or beautiful or anything else. It's just going to be a trailer that looks like a trailer. It's for dragging through the woods. So next step is to piece it across the bottom and get that filled in, so that it's not hanging wide open. So I'm going to fill in this side and that side. I got a kind of little strip goes across the bottom.